Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works when you put on your display tempered glass. So you can spot the tempered glass right here on the edges, and let's make a few tries. Let's check the sensitivity of this sensor. So as you can see, there is no any problem of the sensitivity. You don't have to be afraid of install tempered glass on your display, because fingerprint sensor will works very good. It's fast and reliable. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.